Today is 6th September, the birth anniversary of Dr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan, a great visionary and social worker, a motivator and a positive attitude person. I had the honor of working with him for almost 35 years, shoulder to shoulder. Today, he has left us. He is not with us, but his contribution, his memories are still fresh in every one of us. He is a man of vision, man of faith in God. If you are closely analyze the Al-Ameen movement, today all of us are proud that we have so many institutions, we have so many buildings, campuses, but very few people knew in the beginning when Dr Saheb used to go for donations or collections, people used to run away. Seeing him, they used to run away. And he got a day in his life when people came to him for all types of help. This is Dr. Mumtaz Ahmed. Rome is not built in a day. Institutions will not be built in a day. Dr. Ahmed Khan, the founder of Al-Ameen Muslim University, he didn't see in his life Al-Ameen Muslim University. He never thought he is going to have a university. He just started Anglo-Mohammedan school. And in his lifetime he has just saw a school only, never a university, never imagined a university. But the motivation he did, the inspiration he created, that led to Al-Ameen Muslim University, and he was remembered today as the father of modern education among the Muslims. Every leader has been suffered. But when you build institutions or when you build nations, when you have to take certain work, as Dr Saheb said, you should be a social worker, should be ready to take big bats and buckets. Only bouquets will not be given, there will be big bags also, and then only things survive, institutions come up. Education is the main priority. He understood that there is no other go for the removing the backwardness of the Indian Muslim education. In spite of all the efforts by the people, by the community, still we are not able to, as a community in the country, we are not able to bridge even 2% of the backwardness. We are far backward than other communities. Our communities are going forward. But where are we? We have remained a community of complaint. We are backward, we are backward, we are backward. Who will take you forward? Tell me, government will take you forward? Some other community will take you forward? Nobody takes you forward. You have to go forward. You have to take challenge. As Dr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan has accepted the challenge, each one of you has to accept the challenge. Then only the community can survive in this country. You should now be a community of seekers. For everything we seek, education we seek, employment we seek, industry we seek. We should convert ourselves not as seeker, we should convert ourselves to the giver to the society. You will be respected in the society if you are able to do something to the society. However big you will not be respected. You should double the capability of every Muslim, that he is capable of giving to the society. We expect respect in the society. If the society has to respect it, why should the society respect me or you? Why do we celebrating Dr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan's day? Because he has given to the society. Each one of us should give to the society, make our generation, future generation. Suppose each one of you, if somebody is there, he is nothing, you are not, he is not useful to you, you don't even remember he is there. If you have the capability of giving something, they will respect. So, education, without education, there is no shortcut. What Dr. Mumtaz Ahmed Khan has done is to motivate. We need thousands and thousands of Al-Ameen. But what he has left is inspiration, motivation. His greatest quality, because I have been with him for 35 years, I know his each and every quality is what he has to do, motivate. I mean, every day he used to motivate. Suppose if we take a project, we never thought money is necessary. Though everybody says, where is the money? How do you bring money? All these institutions, this big Al-Ameen campus, medical college, engineering college, is there anybody who can say, I have paid crores of rupees? Can anybody come say, I have given 1 crore, I have given 2 crores or 3 crores? But today the assets created is more than thousands crores. Who gave it? It is the inspiration. It is determination. Automatically comes. So that is what has been, should learn each one of you, each one of the youngsters, that money alone will not bring success. Determination, persuasion. So friends, on this day, let us pledge that we spend our we spread knowledge, we spread education. There is no other way to go for the community. I request, it is my desire. Long time I have been there, I don't know when the desire is even, whether it will be during our lifetime, I think. I expect that Al-Ameen University should be established. I did my best when I was the chairman of this institution. Unfortunately, we couldn't do it. we should have, the Al-Ameen should have been the first university in Karnataka with university, but somehow it didn't happen. But now you can take it up, there is facilities, and there is a best opportunity. Our speaker is here, and now government of Karnataka is friendly to Muslims. So if you try, you can have a university, because then only you can progress. Now you are halted. Your progress is halted. Now it is the era of universities where you can spread knowledge. So please take it up. All of us will help. And Mr. U.T. Farid, U.T. Qadir is one of the finest gentlemen. I cannot say anything. His father is my friend, and I am proud my friend's son is now occupying a coveted post as a speaker, and he is the first Muslim speaker, as I was the first Legislative Council chairman, Muslim chairman, in the history of assembly as well as in legislature. And the very fact that he is consecutively winning a from a difficult constituency for 5 times, it speaks volumes of Mr. Khader's capability, his adjustment, his lovability, and people acceptance of him is a great credit to the community. I am sure he is still young, more positions are expected for him, and inshallah he will be very useful to the society as well as the community. With these few words, I thank the management for having given me opportunity to express my few thoughts. Thank you very much.
शहर बेंगलुरु में अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी ने पूरी आन बान शान के साथ अपना फाउंडर्स डे मनाया। बानी अल-अमीन तहरीक मरहूम डॉक्टर मुमताज अहमद खान के जन्मदिन के मौके पर फाउंडर्स डे का जश्न मनाया। फाउंडर्स डे की खुशियां मनाई। कर्नाटक लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के स्पीकर यूटी कादर, साबिक मरकजी वजीर के रहमान खान व दीगर अहम शख्सियात फाउंडर्स डे 2024 के जश्न में जलवा अफरोज थीं। अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी ने असेंबली के स्पीकर यूटी कादर को इंतहाई बाविकार अवार्ड, प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड, अल-अमीन ऑल इंडिया लीडरशिप अवार्ड 2024 से नवाजा। 6 सितंबर जुमे की शाम तारीखी लाल बाग के रूबरू अल-अमीन के वसी व अरीस कैंपस में ये यादगार तकरीब मुनक़द हुई। साहिल के सुकून से किसे इनकार है लेकिन, साहिल के सुकून से किसे इनकार है लेकिन, तूफान से लड़ने में मज़ा और ही कुछ है। साबिक मरकजी वजीर के रहमान खान ने डॉक्टर मुमताज़ अहमद खान के फर्जंद और अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी के चेयरमैन उमर इस्माइल खान, सेक्रेटरी जुबैर अनवर, सोसाइटी के तमाम अहदेदारों को ये पैगाम दिया कि वक्त आ गया है कि अल-अमीन अब यूनिवर्सिटी में तब्दील हो। अल-अमीन यूनिवर्सिटी के क़याम के लिए सब मिलजुल कर जिदोजहद करें, कोशिशें करें। के रहमान खान ने कहा कि वो इस मिशन में अल-अमीन एजुकेशनल सोसाइटी का हर मुमकिन साथ देंगे। कर्नाटक लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के स्पीकर यूटी कादर ने कहा कि अल-अमीन तालीमी इदारे के बानी मरहूम डॉक्टर मुमताज़ अहमद खान की खिदमत मुल्क और मिल्लत की तरक्की में काफ़ी अहम मुकाम रखती हैं। डॉक्टर साहब के कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस ने हमारी कम्युनिटी को दीगर तबकों के सामने बाइसे फ़ख्र बनाया है। यूटी कादर ने कहा कि اگر کوئی صحیح معنوں میں دیش بھکت ہے، محب وطن ہے تو وہ مرحوم ڈاکٹر ممتاز احمد خان ہیں۔ یوٹی قادر نے کہا کہ الامین تعلیمی ادارہ قوم و ملت کا ادارہ ہے اور قوم کے ہر شخص کی ذمہ داری ہے کہ وہ اس ادارے کی ترقی میں، ڈیولپمنٹ میں بڑھ چڑھ کر حصہ لے۔ یوٹی قادر نے کہا کہ الامین ایجوکیشنل سوسائٹی کے چیئرمین ڈاکٹر عمر اسماعیل خان اور ان کی پوری ٹیم سے کافی امیدیں ہیں کہ وہ اس تعلیمی ادارے کو مزید بلندیوں کی جانب لے جائیں گے۔ اس موقع پر اسپیکر یوٹی قادر نے ایوارڈ میں دی گئی 1 لاکھ روپے کی رقم کو الامین تعلیمی ادارے کے غریب طلباء کی اسکالرشپ کے لیے ڈونیٹ کیا۔ الامین ایجوکیشنل سوسائٹی کے چیئرمین عمر اسماعیل خان نے اپنے صدارتی خطاب میں تمام مہمانوں کا شکریہ ادا کرتے ہوئے کہا کہ الامین کے تعلیمی ادارے ترقی کی راہ پر گامزن ہیں۔ پچھلے 1 سال کے دوران انہوں نے الامین کے تمام اسکولوں اور کالجوں کا دورہ کیا ہے اور مسائل کو جاننے کی کوشش کی ہے اور ان مسائل کے حل کے لیے اقدامات کیے جا رہے ہیں۔ عمر اسماعیل خان نے کہا کہ وہ اس وقت بڑے بڑے تعلیمی اداروں کی ترقی کو دیکھ کر آگے نہیں بڑھ رہے ہیں، بلکہ سماج کے غریب اور ضرورت مند طبقے کو دھیان میں رکھتے ہوئے الامین کے تعلیمی اداروں کو ترقی کی راہ پر لے جا رہے ہیں۔ فاؤنڈرز ڈے کے موقع پر ہر سال کی طرح اس بار بھی الامین ایجوکیشنل سوسائٹی نے منتخب افراد کو، شخصیات کو ایوارڈ سے نوازا۔ آل انڈیا ریم دعوت القرآن الکریم کے صدر قاری رضوان بیگ شمسی کو الامین خطیب ایوارڈ سے نوازا گیا۔ دوسری جانب الامین ایجوکیشنل سوسائٹی کے اداروں کی ترقی کے لیے نمایاں خدمات انجام دینے والے منتخب افراد اور بیسٹ پرفارمنس کا مظاہرہ کرنے والے ٹیچرز اور اسٹوڈنٹس کو بھی ایوارڈ سے نوازا گیا۔ جنوبی ہند نیوز رپورٹ۔
Dr. Ramesh Khan, the director of Research Foundation.